Hello guys. In the last episode of this DMS object linking, you have seen that we have added a custom button over here in the MIRO screen, which will uh, eventually call up the DMS object that we are going to assign for this MIRO document. So our in this video, we are going to explain that how this button will work and how we are going to add this button on the screen, and rest of the config part that is being involved for achieving this. So now, uh, let's say, for example, let's repeat, we are going to click on this button. A window will be opening. This is a DMS object linking dialog. Here you can, you can create any documents. So let's start. Now, to add this button, first of all, our first requirement to find the body, find the enhancement point where we can do this. For your ease, I have already found the body, and the body is this one, body FDCB SUB BAS04. We'll be going to create an implementation for this body. This is the DMS attachment which we have already created. So now in the interface there are two methods. We'll be using the first one, put data to screen object. In this method, we just need to write this small piece of code where we are passing our document number and fiscal year into a memory ID. This memory ID will be storing our document number and fiscal year, which we'll be using later to link the object, to link that MIRO object to our DMS document. So now, as we have done our first part, so now the next, now the second part is how we are going to add the button on that MIRO screen. For this body provides the interface to create subscreen on the MIRO header screen. So this is the enhancement point. We have to create a custom program for it, and custom module pool program. Let me open it. So in this custom module pool program, what we have to do, we just need to create a simple screen with one button in it. That's it. This button is being visible on the MIRO screen, and on the click of this button, I have write some piece of code. So what this piece of code is, remember we have passes our document number, MIRO document number and fiscal year. This we are importing from the memory ID and then passing it to this function module called function document assignment. We'll be talking about this function module a bit later. First, we have to do some configurations to work this. This will be our final step, that our document will be remember, you have seen a dialog popping up when you press on document attachment. So this function module is responsible for displaying that dialog screen. This dialog screen is being displayed by the standard function module, and that is document assignment. Now, there are few things which we have to pass in it. Like we have to pass the object with which we are linking this MIRO document, and the operational code, whether you have to create or just to display the DMS document attached in it. Okay. Now, how we are going, where we find this Z Rbkp? We will not be finding this Z Rbkp in the system anywhere. We have to do some tasks to create this. So first of all, let's create this Z Rbkp object. For that, we are going to open SPRO. In SPRO, in cross application components, document management, and control data, there are few steps which are to be followed in order to create that object, Z object. So here you just need to give the table name Z Rbkp. This will be your object, and the transaction code, and what are the key fields: Bellner, MIRO document number, and fiscal year. These will be your two key fields which you have to provide here. Now, in the next step, we are going to maintain the screen for this object link. So now if we go to Z Rbkp, MIRO document, we have to assign a screen. So from where this screen is coming from, I'll be explaining that. To create this screen, we need one function group, standard function group, that has to be enhanced. That needs to be you have to make it modifiable. CV130. Here there are multiple of screens of many standard objects given. So now what you have to do, you just copy any screen and create your custom screens, like what we have created 9051 for our MIRO document. In 9051, you just need to change whatever, for example, if we have copied, let's say we can take any. For example, we have copied it from 1220. So wherever you find this, table work area, you just need to change it to your custom work area. Now, one more task you have to do before doing this. You need to create a simple structure which have only these two fields. See, Z Rbkp, a simple structure that has two key fields, and that is these two fields are we have used in this screen. One more thing, you need to add these two fields in the layout of this screen, like invoice document number and fiscal year. Once this is done, okay, you will be requiring a access key for changing this function module, as this is CV130 and my basis consultant has already register this document in the portal and get the access key for changing this function module. Now you have created the screen 9051. Then we are going to map this screen to our custom object 9051, and there are few other activities. Okay, not here. So in the defined document types, first of all, you need to give the object link description. Yeah. This MIRO document, this object means it's an attachment, it's an object for MIRO document. Now, when we are going to define the object link, okay, 1 second. Now, for any document on which you on any document type which you want to link with this object, you need to do something like, for example, we are going to attach it with TST document type. Open it and define object links. Here, you need to just copy any pre-existing object and make it like Z Rbkp, and the screen number is 9051. And don't forget to give 2 in the create document so that user will be able to create the document from the dialog itself. And just check additional function. There are few additional functions which are required at the time of creating the document, at the time of attaching the document. Okay, let me save it. Okay, I have pressed no. Okay, sorry. Z Rbkp 9051. That's it. And save it and the customizing request. So now this document. Thank you guys. Thanks for watching this video. If you like it, please subscribe our channel for interesting videos like this. Thanks.